Question 161. Paragon is the opposite of. Option A. Ideal. Option B. Model. Option C. Exemplar. Option D. Defect.
Question 162. Parsimonious is the opposite of. Option A. Stingy. Option B. Miserly. Option C. Generous. Option D. Frugal. Question 163. Paucity is the opposite of. Option A. Scarcity. Option B. Dearth. Option C. Lack. Option D. Plenty.
Question 164. Pedantic is the opposite of. Option A. Meticulous. Option B. Ignorant. Option C. Precise. Option D. Scrupulous. Question 165. Penury is the opposite of. Option A. Poverty. Option B. Destitution. Option C. Wealth. Option D. Indigence.
Question 166. Perfidy is the opposite of. Option A. Treacherousness. Option B. Betrayal. Option C. Loyalty. Option D. Deceit.
Question 167. Perfunctory is the opposite of. Option A. Cursory. Option B. Thorough. Option C. Apathetic. Option D. Routine. Question 168. Pernicious is the opposite of. Option A. Harmful. Option B. Ruinous. Option C. Destructive. Option D. Harmless.
Question 169. Perspicacious is the opposite of. Option A. Shrewd. Option B. Astute. Option C. Discerning. Option D. Dull. Question 170. Philistine is the opposite of. Option A. Barbarian. Option B. Vulgarian. Option C. Cultured. Option D. Boor.